Have you ever thought that living longer isn't just about good genes or a healthy lifestyle? There's a big secret that science is unlocking, and that's biotechnology. It's not just about curing diseases, it's changing the way our bodies function, from slowing down aging to regenerating organs. Sounds crazy, right? But this isn't just a theory, it's happening right now. So, what exactly is biotechnology doing? And why does it have the potential to extend human lifespan? Let's dive in and find out. So, what is biotechnology? Think of it this way. It's how we use our understanding of biology, combined with modern technology, to create revolutionary solutions for health and life. It's not just a science on paper, it's actively transforming the way we perceive and tackle diseases. Biotechnology focuses on things like genes, stem cells, microorganisms, and even the production of proteins and enzymes. But why are these important? Imagine if you could reprogram your body to fight off illnesses or even repair itself when something goes wrong. That's exactly what biotechnology is doing, directly intervening in the body's natural processes to enhance its ability to heal itself and prevent life-threatening diseases. It's not just about treatment, it's about optimizing health. This is especially crucial when we talk about living longer. After all, if you can extend your lifespan while keeping your body healthy, that's the kind of life worth dreaming about, isn't it? Now, let's talk about gene editing technology, what many consider one of the greatest breakthroughs in medical history. And when we mention gene editing, we can't ignore CRISPR. This is such a powerful tool that it's like holding a pencil and eraser to rewrite your own genes. CRISPR allows scientists to edit or replace faulty gene sequences, the very causes of countless genetic diseases and, believe it or not, the aging process itself. Imagine you have a damaged gene causing accelerated aging or reduced cellular function. With CRISPR, we can fix it, just like correcting a typo in a text. And here's the most fascinating part. Scientists have been studying an enzyme called telomerase, which acts as a protective cap at the ends of each chromosome, called telomeres. Over time, telomeres wear down, and that's one of the reasons we age. CRISPR has the potential to activate telomerase, slowing down or even reversing this deterioration. This means we could extend the lifespan of cells and keep our bodies healthier for longer. Sounds like science fiction, doesn't it? But it's actually happening. We're not just talking about fighting diseases anymore. We're looking at slowing down the aging process itself at the cellular level. This could completely change how we think about longevity and health. Could humans actually stay young forever? With CRISPR, the answer might just be, quite possibly. Imagine this. If your body were a car, stem cells would be the top-tier technicians capable of repairing or even replacing any broken parts. Sounds amazing, right? This is precisely why stem cell technology is often referred to as the golden key to extending human lifespan. Stem cells have an incredible ability. They can transform into any type of cell the body needs. Liver cells, lung cells, even brain cells. This means scientists can use stem cells to regenerate damaged organs, repair injured tissues, and even rejuvenate aging body parts to function like new. Take, for example, patients with conditions like Parkinson's disease or heart failure. After receiving stem cell treatments, many have shown remarkable improvements. Stem cells act as the body's rescue team, restoring functions that have declined due to aging or illness. But it doesn't stop at treating diseases. This technology is opening up an entirely new world where we not only live longer, but live healthier. You're not just extending your lifespan, you're getting the chance to rebuild your body from the inside out. The future of stem cell therapy may sound like a dream, but it's quickly becoming a reality. And this is set to change the game of health and longevity forever. Let's dive into another fascinating topic, the microbiome in our bodies. Did you know that your body hosts trillions of bacteria, fungi, and other microorganisms? Don't worry, these are your silent allies, especially when it comes to health and longevity. Scientists refer to this as the microbiome, the collection of microorganisms living in your body, with most of them concentrated in your gut. Think of it as a protective army, boosting your immune system, aiding digestion, and even playing a role in fighting chronic diseases like diabetes, heart disease, and even cancer. Biotechnology has made amazing strides in developing special probiotics, beneficial bacteria designed to optimize gut health. These probiotics not only enhance digestive functions, but also strengthen your body's ability to fight illnesses. Did you know that a healthy gut can actually make you feel more energetic, think more clearly, and even help you live longer? These advancements don't just help you stay healthy, they also reduce the risk of age-related diseases, which many of us have traditionally considered unavoidable. But with probiotics and the support of biotechnology, aging no longer feels like a death sentence for your health. And what's the best part? A healthy microbiome is the key to not just living longer, but living better. It gives us a compelling reason to care for our bodies from the inside out, doesn't it? Now, let's talk about one of the most incredible applications of biotechnology: smart drug development. It might sound complicated, but imagine this. Instead of dropping a bomb to destroy a small target, we can now use a guided missile. That's targeted therapy. These next-generation drugs work with incredible precision. They attack only the diseased cells, such as cancer cells, while leaving healthy cells untouched. This not only increases the effectiveness of treatments, but also significantly reduces side effects, one of the biggest concerns with traditional medications. Think about chronic illnesses like cancer, Alzheimer's, or diabetes. These are humanity's greatest adversaries in the fight for longevity and quality of life. But thanks to biotechnology, we now have more advanced solutions than ever. For instance, targeted therapies for cancer not only extend survival, but also improve patients' daily lives. And it doesn't stop there. Biotechnology is paving the way for personalized medicine, drugs tailored specifically to an individual's genes, lifestyle, and overall health. Imagine taking a medication that's fully optimized for your body. No unwanted side effects, no uncertainty about its effectiveness. Smart drug development is truly changing the game. We're no longer just fighting diseases, we're pushing boundaries to live longer, healthier lives while enjoying every moment. But here's the question: is biotechnology the ultimate key to human longevity? Or is it a double-edged sword we have yet to fully understand? What do you think? Should we embrace these advancements with hope or caution? Share your thoughts in the comments. Your opinions are a vital part of this meaningful conversation about the future of health and longevity. If you're intrigued by this topic, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss out on our next fascinating discussion. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.